G'day folks, just a quick update on the Honda GV400. Fully relapped all the valves and honed the bore out because it had a bit of surface rust and atmospheric moisture. Don't know why they pulled it apart. Internally this engine is really nice, there's nothing wrong with it. Maybe it had a blown head gasket or something and they never got around to putting it back together again. They lost a lot of parts, so I don't have any more head studs or nuts, so I'm going to source them. I do have the carburetor, no muffler though, and no cowling. So I'm taking this 12 horsepower Briggs & Stratton cowling and modifying it to fit. It's pretty easy actually, there's a lot of similarities between these two engines. The starter motor and everything's in the same position. The starter clearance hole anyway. But height wise it's pretty close. I just don't have any standoffs to screw into, so I'm going to make little L brackets to go down to these mounting points. I've got the rest of the Honda cowlings that are attached to it. That one, that's Briggs & Stratton, but there are a few other Honda cowlings floating around. That was a head. Almost ready for a test fire. Got a bit more work to do on the cover. Make some clearances and bolt holes for the cylinder head and get it around the fuel tank mounting and everything. Just make a little straight out exhaust. Take one of these surplus flanges. The bolt holes are already lined up with the existing manifold holes, so I'll just open them up a bit and I'm going to just machine all that off, cut it all off and face it. That should do that, and we'll be ready to go. Oh yeah, for those who are wondering how this project went, it went really well. This is the aircon control panel. Unfortunately the voltmeter was supposed to have some sort of resistor or something on it and that blew up, so I've disconnected that, but everything else is working. It's pulling about 18 amps at the moment just off the scale, but which is really hard under load on a really hot day. It comes up just past 20. So that's running the evaporator fans and condensing unit fans and everything. Well, that works. Just got to finish off the cowling to keep it cool. Got a little bit warm there. Not too bad, but not going to run it any longer. Yeah, I'll see if this one drops straight onto that mower chassis, because the bolt pattern appears to be the same. I know that the output shaft diameter and key slot are the same. So with a bit of luck it'll bolt onto the mower chassis. I've just discarded the blade deck and everything, and I'll just change the final drive ratio so that it's got a bit of pickup much faster.